Hello and welcome back. Today I want to talk about how to make 2026 your best year ever. How to build wealth in 2026. My name is Evelyn Sophie. If you're just joining me for the first time, you're welcome to this channel, to this space. Please feel free to ask questions, like this video and share it. So today I did write down four main things that you need to do to be able to make your next year your best year ever. Let's go ahead and get started. The first thing is step up your game. What does that mean? I'll create a vision of what you want to see happen in 2026 and live up to that vision. I'm a very big fan of vision boards. I like to create vision boards. I like to look at them. I like to pray over them. That could be something that you could also be interested in, which I would say try to do it and then see the miracles that will happen. Like today, I was looking at my vision board. I've really actually seen a lot of the things that I put on my vision board come to pass. The year is not yet over, but at least I've had more than half of those come to reality. Create a vision of what you want to see and then become that person that lives that vision. There are so many ways to become that person through self-development. Read books, learn strategies, invest in your education. And talking about education, I do have a course that's currently going on. It's called Real Estate Mastery Accelerator. I'm going to put the link on that course somewhere on this video. If you think you want to learn about real estate in the United States, how to grow in your wealth through real estate, I would strongly encourage you to take that class. It's still going on live every Saturday and Sunday. This week is going to be on Saturday. Last week it was on Sunday. And thank you for all those that were able to sign up. So that was the first point, step up to your dream. The next point, step into your purpose. We all have a unique purpose, accept it or not. We all were created for something. The goal for every human being is to look for that thing that you're very good at, that you think you were created to, that problem that you thought you were created to solve, and learn how to solve that problem and become the best at it. It takes a lesser time than somebody that wasn't meant to be that thing. For example, let's say you were meant to be a medical doctor. It's gonna come to you very easy. Med school would just be like a piece of cake because that's something that you were born for. But it doesn't mean that if you were not born to be a doctor, you can be a doctor. You definitely can be a doctor, but it's going to be a struggle to become a doctor in the sense that you're going to probably put in more effort, more time to become that person that it wasn't really aligned with who you were meant to be. So the goal in life is to find something that you really are good at and then keep working yourself and learning about that thing so you become the best at that thing. And that was the second step. The third one is walk by faith and not by sight. A lot of people want to see before they believe, and those are people normally don't grow. Someone that believes before they see, really believe in themselves, they trust God. They know that whatever they are putting their mind into, it's going to come into reality. You might not see it right now, but it's strongly rooted inside your mind that it's going to eventually come to reality. So you want to be that person that will believe before you see. Don't wait like Thomas that you have to see before you believe, because if you keep waiting, sometimes you can wait for a very long time. The last but not the least today, it's time to run with the giants. What does that mean? You want to be around people that are doing big things. That will help you to become a person that does big things as well. You want to invest in coaching programs like my program. I have a coaching program. I do a one-on-one coaching. Just go to my website, growwealtheasy.com or thequeenofstars.com and sign up for one-on-one coaching with me. Or you want to just join my community, click on the link for my community and join and be part of a group of people like-minded that are growing in real estate and in their self-development. If you have any question, feel free to let me know, ask it on the comments or DM me, and I'll be very happy to answer you. Thank you, and I hope you have a blessed day. Bye.